Today's date is October 19th, 2022, and I'm going to be changing out these headlights. So I'm going to convert them to halogens. Let me turn these on real quick. Sorry about that. So I got these from Jeff, and I think these are halogen, and these are just really dim. Let me turn those on real quick. That might be a source of the problem. I have to go through and check out my wiring before I worry about these lights right now. Well, that didn't quite go the way I wanted it to. The bucket in there, the adjusting screws have stripped out or something, and so I need to spend more time on it than I'm going to do tonight. But at least I have the light in. I like that. It's the spread across here is better than the other bulb. So I'm just going to do that on the other side.